Equipping your home, office, and travel bags with reliable, high-speed charging cables without dealing with low-quality cords that fray or fail can save you endless daily hassle. If you are looking for a bulk set of durable, high-wattage USB-C cables to power up smartphones, tablets, and modern laptops across multiple rooms, buying a multi-pack from a trusted brand is one of the smartest investments you can make. The Anker USB-C to USB-C 60W Fast Charging Cable 5-pack in black is engineered to deliver reliable 60-watt power delivery charging, high-band durability, and standard 480 Mbps data transfer across a broad range of modern devices. Before we take a close look at its wattage capabilities, construction materials, and device compatibility in detail, quick disclosure, the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission from qualifying purchases. Looking directly at power delivery and electrical specifications, these cables support up to 60 watts of power delivery charging. Paired with a compatible 60W or higher USB-C wall adapter, they rapidly charge devices like the iPhone 17 series, iPad mini 6, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy flagship phones, and 13-inch laptops like the MacBook Air. Built-in compliance resistors ensure safe, stable current flow, protecting your expensive electronics against overcharging and thermal spikes. Physical design and construction prioritize long-term durability and placement flexibility. Each cable in this 5-pack measures 6 feet in length, providing extra reach so you can comfortably use your phone or laptop while connected to wall outlets behind desks or nightstands. The outer jacket is constructed from tough, flexible TPE material rated to withstand over 12,000 bends, preventing structural splits near the connector neck where cheaper cables usually fail. Versatility across modern tech ecosystems is a major strength. Featuring standard reversible USB-C connectors on both ends, these cables provide universal compatibility across modern Android smartphones, tablets, wireless headphones, power banks, and USB-C handheld consoles. Beyond power delivery, each cable supports USB 2.0 data transfer speeds of up to 480 Mbps, allowing you to sync photos, music, and files between your mobile devices and laptops easily. When evaluating practical considerations before buying, you should keep data transfer speeds and high-wattage laptop requirements in mind. Because these cables utilize USB 2.0 data standards, 480 Mbps, they are designed primarily for fast charging and standard file syncing rather than high-speed 4K video display output or Thunderbolt data transfers. Additionally, while 60 watts fully powers phones, tablets, and compact laptops like the MacBook Air, power users with heavy 15-inch or 16-inch laptops requiring 100W or 100W fast charging will want to pair those specific machines with higher wattage 100W cables. Overall, the Anker USB-C to USB-C 60W 5-pack is an exceptional value choice for families, remote workers, and tech users who want high-quality, 6-foot fast charging cables for every room and bag. If this fits your power setup, check current pricing and availability through the affiliate link in the description. If this review was helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more in-depth tech evaluations, and leave a comment below with any questions.